acknowledge all the participants in the group 4 for enthusiastic discussion. So thank you for your effort. So we talked about the CanSat education. So first of all, we wanted to make identify the ideal CanSat education. So first of all, we summarized the existing CanSat curriculum. So actually, this is a time frame. So I'm generation. So younger generation to more professional. So we extended this generation to elementary school first. So top is elementary school and bottom is professionals. And actually, UNISEC already have a pretty good curriculum for like that can be used to high school students and university students. Like we have a iCanSat. It's kind of a CanSat kit, and we also published a textbook, CanSat textbook in Japanese. So it will be very valuable to translate the textbook in English. And also we have a system engineering and project management program that can be covered, that can cover graduate students and young professionals. But the problem is, again, that it's in Japanese. So we will try to translate in English. And also by drawing this figure, we identified that the interaction between the next generation is pretty important. So UNISEC Global covers this generation, but the professors, university professors cannot teach all the generation. They will be killed. So we have to facilitate the interaction between generations. That is our finding. And also, we do not cover the elementary school area very much. So that may be another issue we have to explore in the future. And also, so we have already a good curriculum. So the problem is how we can implement that. So let me explain the bottom part first. So we identified the problems, and we discussed how we can solve. So one issue is the lack of instructors, especially in developing countries. So CLTP is very important. Also, we should have a local CanSat training program. And maybe we can have a CanSat education session in next third UNISEC Global meeting. That will be useful. Also, and another problem is the hardware import restrictions. That is very, a big problem. So one solution will be we may ask support to United Nations. So if United Nations give us a certificate, then it will be very helpful. And another thing is the lack of coordinators. So we propose UNISEC Global to make an education committee to organize these things like CLTP and UN certificate stuff. And another thing is funding. So it is useful for Unison to ask corporate sponsors. So top figure shows the conceptual vision of CanSat education. So left-hand side is like elementary and high school level, and the right-hand side is Corporation and Space Agency. So United Nations cover the basic science skills, and agency has a high-level professional technologies, and there's a big gap. So UNISEC Global lies between these two, and so iCanSat and CanSat education and the systems engineering educational program, these two curriculums really covers these two gaps. So it will be useful to continue these two educations by solving these issues. Yeah, that is our conclusion. Thank you very much.